in 1971, when Pakistan Army took action in East Pakistan, I was the one who was standing with the Pakistan Army, our brave soldiers, they're doing this and great job, and it's only foreigners and terrorists and militants. It was 3 years later we realized that the army butchered civilians, women, children. And so we're doing exactly the same thing again. In Balochistan, they were bombing people. How can you bomb people? Is this an army you're bombing? There are people, women, children living there. But for us, it's very important to understand, are we just bombing our own people? Just think about the immorality of bombing villages where there are women and children. No one talks about, you're talking about 6 million people in the tribal area that are being bombed. Their economy has been destroyed. They're living in refugee camps. There are about 2 million internally displaced people in Pakistan. How are they surviving? All under the heading of Taliban, and the extrajudicial killing that is going on. How many times have you heard that so many militants killed? Is there any verification? Has there been any identification? Who are these people that are dying? So this is a crime against humanity, what is going on.